Now let's actually start learning Python. And the first concept that we are going to learn in Python is all about understanding variables. But before we can understand variables, we need to go on a picnic with Lewis. Yes, let's go on a picnic and then let's see what variables is all about. So Lewis is planning for a picnic and he's going to pack a slice of pizza in his Tupperware. You don't want to go hungry on a picnic, do you? Lewis also wants to pack some of his clothes inside a bag and also a bottle of water. Now let's try to visualize this concept a little more technically. So you can imagine your Tupperware, bag and bottles to be your containers. And what these containers are going to hold is this slice of pizza, clothes and water. So you can imagine all of these things to be values. So the containers are going to hold all of the values. Now let's try to see all of these things in the world of Python. So here we have three containers, Tupperware, bag and bottle. And we have three values, slice of pizza, clothes and water. So essentially what's happening is your containers are just like your variables because your variables are going to hold some data. You can translate this concept in Python by typing like this. On the left you can see Tupperware is a variable and the variable of Tupperware is holding a value of slice of pizzas. This equal to is also called as the assignment operator. That means we are assigning the value on the right to the variable on the left. And the same thing goes with bag and bottle as well.